A.T.P Company Limited is an NSF GMP certified health food manufacturer located in Taiwan's Pingdong Agricultural Biotechnology Park with over 40 years industry experience. In addition to its own prestigious brands in Taiwan, A.T.P provides professional ODM and OEM service for many internationally and domestically renowned companies. Equipped with a fully automatic GMP-certified production line, A.T.P is capable of manufacturing various types of products like tablets, capsules, instant microgranules, and beverages, which all achieve the most stringent global standards. The unique instant microgranule technology not only removes the necessity of excipients, but also significantly enhances a product's quality and bioavailability. With superior techniques, A.T.P can guarantee impeccable service for creating globally recognized products. Composed of professionals with considerable industry experience, the research and development team analyzes market trends and provides accurate and full-spectrum marketing plans. From formula design to marketing strategy, A.T.P applies its years of experience and knowledge to create the best-selling product for clients. Whether mass production or trial order, A.T.P always fulfills clients' needs effortlessly. In order to ensure consistent manufacturing quality, A.T.P only recruits employees with master degrees or related licenses to strictly enforce ISO 22000 and HACCP standards. By keeping in step with international regulations, A.T.P always honors its promise to manufacture safe and quality supplements. Food and health are ever-evolving issues in modern society, and A.T.P will continue to develop innovative products and technology to pursue a wellness-oriented lifestyle for all consumers. A.T.P insists on products made of natural ingredients and free from unnecessary additives, and will cooperate closely with suppliers and clients to introduce remarkable nutritional foods and supplements worldwide.